Welcome back to Weekend Smile, guys. So, the best exercise is to flatten your stomach, eliminate mommy tummy, and heal diastasis recti at home. Kimberly Hoffman Reed, creator of InSync Health Wellness Beauty, demonstrates for us. Hi, Kim. Welcome. Good morning. Welcome to Weekend Smile.
Hi, thank you for having me. How are you doing?
I am doing great. How are you?
I'm good.
Now, I need you to explain for us because a number of persons are probably wondering, what is this mommy tummy, this mummy tummy? What exactly is that?
Okay, so mommy tummy is the name that people tend to call what happens to them right after pregnancy, but it's actually diastasis recti.
Okay.
Diastasis recti is the separation of what we know as the six pack muscles, which are the nice chiseled abs that we're used to. After pregnancy and you have the baby pushing along the abdomen for 9 months, what usually happens is that you have a separation of that muscle. And what really separates is the ligaments that hold the two muscles together, because they're actually two muscles together. And the ligament that holds it together is known as the linea alba, and that's what separates and results in what we call a mommy bulge or a mommy tummy, as I call it.
So sometimes even when, persons, either you've probably put on some weight or you've had children and you end up with this mommy tummy, sometimes you might have a flat stomach, a quote unquote flat stomach, but just because of what's going on and the separation, it actually causes you to have a little bulge there.
The bulge, right? You might be exercising and you notice that your tummy has a low flag shape when you're doing your curl, and that is the mommy tummy right there. Yeah. So it can happen to men, it can happen to women, as you said, who just gained a little more weight, and it happens to mothers as well. It happens to at least 60% of moms have a diastasis recti 6 weeks post natal.
Okay.
So it's very common.
Okay, Kimberly. Now walk us through this mommy tummy guide. How can persons avoid getting this?
Okay, so incidentally, I started treating mommy tummy because I had a mommy tummy after I had my daughter. And as a physio, I like to stay fit as I can. And I just wanted to get back in shape. So I said, okay, you know what? I'm just going to start doing some crunches, doing some planks. I'm just going to hammer on the exercises and get rid of my tummy. Well, when I started to do that, what happened instead is that my tummy got bigger. Like, it got bigger. It was, my mom was just like, are you pregnant again? And I was like, this is a disaster. That's not what I expected to happen.
Right.
So following that, I started to do my research. I actually did a course, and I have done further studies. I'm currently doing my doctor of physiotherapy in pelvic floor rehab, so I can help as much mothers as possible. So I created what is known as the Mommy Tummy Guide, which is an 8-step principle to help to reduce the mommy tummy.
Now, Kimberly, it's so interesting that you mentioned that, because there are specific exercises to help with this diastasis recti or some of these issues that women may face. So I need you to show me a few of those exercises, a few of these mommy safe exercises.
Right. So I'm currently having a 12 days to Christmas challenge where I'm posting an exercise each day that moms can do with me. And at the end, the moms who last the end with me, they have 3 beautiful prizes that they can win. And we're currently at 6 days to Christmas. So I will show you what we've been doing before and today's exercise.
Okay, sure. Let's see what you've been up to.
All right, so we started off 12 days to Christmas with 1 ab wrap. So to do an ab wrap, you can grab your mat and lie on your back like this. You rest your hand right above your hips. So you're trying to get to the lower abs to stimulate that. You're pushing the abs together like this. Then you're moving to the middle fiber, so you're going right where your navel is, and you're pushing together there as well. And then up right below your ribs, and you're pushing. So you're doing that for for like 10 times. So that's 3. This is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now you're going to push your butt up into a bridge, squeeze the buttocks, and you're going to continue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now you're going to march. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and down. So that was day 12 days to Christmas, and that's the first thing we did. Right after that, we did the hollow body holds. And what we did was our feet were in tabletop, feet in tabletop, arms by your side, and you're lifting the head and the shoulders up, and you're holding that position for 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. And that's the hollow body hold, and we would do two sets of 10 seconds. Well, so, 2 hollow body holds holding for 10 seconds.
Okay, so these are just a few of the exercises that we can catch on your Instagram page.
Right, at the Women's Health Physio.
Okay.
And we are at day 7, but you can still join us. Anyone can still join. You have until December 23rd to join. And we do have lovely prizes. First place is the Mommy Tummy Guide evaluation.
Okay.
And 8 sessions with me. Second prize is a Mommy Tummy evaluation and 1 week worth of exercises. And the third prize is a lovely gift box courtesy of InSync Health, Wellness, Beauty. And yeah, those are the prizes. So come on over, check out the page and check out the exercises. Do them and let's help to rectify our diastasis recti.
Let's help to rectify it. Kimberly, thank you so much for joining us. Just remind us quickly of your social media handle before we go.
All right, so it is at the Women's Health Physio on Instagram. And that's where you can find me. You can DM me. I answer all my DMs. So you can DM me if you have questions. I'll definitely reach out.
All right, Kimberly, thank you so much for joining us this morning and showing us a few of those mommy exercises. Now join the Mommy Tummy Safe Exercise Challenge for a chance to win prizes and, of course, flatten those mommy tummies, right?